We're delighted to welcome Lotte to the Ocado Smart Platform Club of grocery retailers who together are redefining the global online grocery market. South Korea is one of the most exciting grocery e-commerce markets in the world. It's also one of the most tech-savvy countries with a high bar for innovation that drives true value. Lotte is the second largest grocer in South Korea with a nationwide network of hypermarkets, supermarkets, and online stores. It's also a very much loved, iconic brand and a household name with a core mission to enrich people's lives by offering an unbeatable customer experience, which is what we do. This partnership has the potential to fundamentally redraw the online grocery landscape in South Korea. Together with Lotte, we will bring to market a nationwide fulfillment network of 6 automated CFCs planned by 2028. These state-of-the-art facilities will feature recent innovations and breakthroughs announced at Ocado Reimagined, as well as technologies for the unique requirements of densely built environments and customers with smaller shopping baskets. We'll also be migrating Lotte's store-based fulfillment to our OSP in-store fulfillment solution. We're super excited to partner with Lotte and look forward to bringing to South Korea the unrivaled customer experiences and compelling economics offered by the Ocado Smart Platform.